Hello, how are you? Welcome to Vray tutorials. Today we're going to learn how to illuminate an exterior scene with a simple VraySun. First of all, I have here an house scene from Arch Models. Um, First of all, we're going to create a V-Ray physical camera from top view, I think here, something like this is okay. Now in perspective view, which we change to camera view, so we can manipulate here to get a right view of the building. I think this is okay for example. We have applied a white material, V-Ray material to everything. This is for the previews. I think 240 here is okay. I do not use completely white materials. I'm going to change here the view. Okay, I think it's okay. Now we're going to create here in lights VraySun. I always use like these parameters, like this camera. It's 90 degrees from the in respect from the light. This is to achieve more interesting shadows. We go up here and we go to render setup. First we're going to change it to enable our V-Ray frame buffer and also some color mapping parameters. We use Reinhardt, and born value we put 0.5 and gamma 1.4. Activate linear workflow. Also we enable indirect illumination, and we use in secondary bounces light catch. We can put here for our previews 500 subdivisions, and we enable calc phase also in evidence. Show calc phase and down to low. We can make our first test render. As you can see, we have here some burn areas. We can fix it in our burn value. We can down it to 0.3 to see what happens. I'm going to render only this part. As you can see, we have now correct a little our burn. Of course, this is because of the materials are all white, so when we start putting the concrete or whatever, we're going to also delete these burn areas. Also, I'm going to show you some parameters here in the camera we can change. We select it, and first we can also change the F number to achieve a brighter image. As you can see, it is now a little dark, so we can change here to, for example, 7, and again we're going to render. As you can see, we have a brighter image, but without burning we had here before. Also, I always use these guess verticals options. As you can see, our verticals are not exactly verticals. You can see it here. We're going to, now we have exactly verticals. Also, we have here this option of white balance, which I always use daylight. It gives more accurate illumination, like it is daylight, of course. We can have a custom, of course, a custom balance and shutter speed and film speed. We can change these values to get also a brighter or darker image. For this example, I'm going to add another material here. For example, we have this wood. Oh, I think it's like separate. We can select from here. Very useful tool. We select all wood and we apply this material. I'm going to create something like brown. And also glass material. We go dark, completely black in diffuse. We can, for this example, just put a little reflect and all completely white and refract. We select the same, all the glass, and apply to it. I'm going to make another render. Now complete is in. Okay. Okay, as you can see, it's a very simple way to illuminate our exterior scenes using VraySun, and renders really fast, and it's very easy to set up. Thank you very much for watching V-Ray tutorials.